Well, as you can see, it's a cloudy and rainy night with heavy downpours. So we're gonna call this one a wash, but we thank Grandmother Moon for making her appearance. And better luck next time.